So, what happened to Sydney is my biggest fear as a parent. The fear of something similar happening to my child, and I'm not even there to defend them, or nobody stands up to protect them. That is my biggest fear. Or ever just sending my daughter to the shop, just here, 2 minutes, she's back, and she takes 5 minutes. I start panicking. I can't even get out of the gate and follow, because this is Uganda. Anytime, anything can happen to you. By the way, what happened to Sydney can happen to you and me. So we need to slow down a bit, Ugandans. Even the Bible says, see, judge, and act. For us, we are first acting. Now we are all here regretting. I'm even sure those who were beating and recording have regretted already. Sydney's death could have been avoided. That boy would still be alive if people had first seen, then asked questions, then acted. Now, yeah. There is nobody in Uganda who wins me in hating thieves. Yupa was a victim of thieves. November 2023, those people hammered my head. I almost died. Those who know the story know it. So, I hate thieves with a passion. But before you pounce on somebody's child, are you sure? Is there evidence? Did you catch them in the act? Do you know that they are thieves? Because you will kill an innocent person for nothing. Sydney's death is very unfortunate. It could have been avoided. But unfortunately, he's not here today. Because no one bothered to ask questions. I sympathize with the family. And may Sydney rest in peace. Ugandans, we need to slow down on mob justice. Please. Otherwise, tomorrow, it might be you or your child. Bien.